Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you the second part of the beautiful cozy house where I will share how to make this beautiful Christmas tree along with lots of gifts, snowman, the snow, wreath and all the beautiful decoration. And the house is looking very pretty. It is ready for the Christmas decorations. You can just stand it on your desk to decorate your drawing room or your desk area. So without any further delay, let's start with procedure. Here I'm taking 8.5 centimeter long green color cardstock. Just created one line in the center and start drawing a tree like this. Here I'm making the Christmas tree sketch. Similarly making the similar pattern on other side. Like this, and then we'll fill this design with the quilling shapes. So here I am taking half strip of sap green color in 3 mm and making one bended leaf shape. For all the designs I am using 3 mm strips only. Similarly I have already prepared lots of leaf shapes using different shades of greens. Now I'll start filling the tree from top to bottom using these quilling shapes. And for the topmost portion I have created the leaves which are made using 1/4 strips, and as I go down to the tree I'll attach the half strip leaves on this. Similarly I am going to complete this till the bottom. So this is done. Now I am just fussy cutting the excess green paper around the tree. Similarly cut the other side, and after cutting the tree it should look like this, looking very pretty. Now to create trunk, here I am taking one strip of brown color in 3 mm and making one square shape. Connecting this square on piece of cardboard. And on top of the cardboard I am adding green color paper just to match with the tree, and then sticking this with the back side of the tree. And the super cute Christmas tree is ready. Now it's time to decorate this. Now here I am taking yellow color clay, just flattening it on my surface, and using the star cutter I am cutting one star shape like this, sticking the star on top of the tree. Then taking golden color ball chains and sticking it diagonally on the tree. Then I have some pearl beads, so I am decorating these ball chains using some pearl beads. And between each pearl design, I am attaching some clay balls. So here I am taking red color clay and making teeny mini balls and sticking between each pearl pattern. So this is completely ready. I have just poured some glitter dust on top of the star just to highlight it a little more, and this is done. Now I'm starting with making the snowman. For this I am taking 2 strips of white color in 3mm and making one tight coil dome. Add glue inside this dome and spread it with brush. Similarly, I have prepared one more dome, so just joining both the domes together and the face is ready, keeping it aside. Then to make body, here I have already prepared the tight coil using 4 strips of white color in 3mm. Making dome using my quilling mold, add glue inside this as well. And similarly, I have prepared one more dome already, so just joining both the shapes together and making the body. Then here I am taking 2 tight coil domes which are made using 1 strips of white color in 3mm. These are the legs, so just connecting with each other using glue, and on top of this I am first adding the body. Then taking 1/4 strip of white color and making one random circle for the neck, sticking it on top of the body, and then I'll attach the face. Like this. Then here I am taking 1/4 strip of orange color in 3mm and making one small cone shape for the nose of the snowman. Fill the cone with glue like this. I have attached the nose, and then here I am adding the hat, which is made using 2 strips of yellow color in 3mm. This is simple cone shape, bended cone. Then adding 2 small black color circles for eyes, and also I have wrapped one clay scarf around the neck and added 2 small brown color hands. So snowman is ready. Now to start with gifts, here I am taking 1 strip of pink color in 3mm and making one square shape. Sticking the square on top of pink color paper. Then decorating the gift using white color strips. And using the remaining white strip, dividing in 2 parts and creating 2 small teardrop shapes. And after that I am fussy cutting the excess pink color paper around the gift. Then connecting these bows on top of gift. And the super cute gift is ready. Similarly, I have already prepared some more gifts with different color combinations. Now taking back my home, which I have created on last video. If you haven't checked it, just check the description box for link for the part 1. Now here I am taking one small amount of cotton and spreading it in the bottom, which will look like snow. Then on right corner I am connecting the snowman. Then taking the Christmas tree, just to give little dimension to the tree, I have attached some cardboard pieces on back side of this. Then sticking the tree on left side corner, and then I'll add gifts randomly here and there. Like this. Then adding some stars on the door, which are made using clay and star shaped cutter. And then I am attaching this quilled wreath, which I have already shown in the short video. The link of this wreath is also given in description box. And then I am decorating my tree little more by adding some different shapes of sequences. These sequences I got from Craft Gully, and all the supply links are given in description box if you want to purchase anything. And also don't forget to check the coupon code if you are purchasing from the same store I got the things. Then on top of the house I am attaching the snowflake, which is made using quilling strip, and then decorating the roof using some star shaped sequences. Then between each star I am adding some more flower shaped sequence. These all sequences are from Craft Gully. And then on the door I am adding the golden bell exactly in the center. And the super cute Christmas house with lots of decoration is ready. Now just wait for the Santa, who will bring lots of happiness and good wishes for us. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.